Chaser has never done before, and that is attempt to sing a country song. So we're going to let I guess our best cowboy in the group, Charlie, take this one away.
That's not saying a lot. There are a lot of cowboys in this group. I know I like my chicken fried. Cold beer on Friday night. A pair of jeans that fit just right. And the radio was. Raised up beneath the shade of a Georgia pine. That's home, you know, sweet tea, pecan pie, homemade wine, where the peaches grow. At my house, it's not much to talk about, but it's filled with love that's grown in the sunken ground, and a little bit of chicken fried, a cold beer on Friday night, a pair of jeans that fit just right. I've seen sunrise, I've seen love in a woman's eyes. I feel the touch of a precious child and no mother's love. Well, it's funny how it's little things in life that mean it's not where you live, what you drive, or the price tag on your clothes. There's no dollar sign on a piece of mind, this I've come to know. So if you agree, have a drink with me, raise your glasses for a toast to a little bit of chicken fried, a cold beer on Friday night, a pair of jeans that fit just right, and the radio was. I've seen sunrise, I've seen the love in a woman's eyes, I feel the touch of a precious child, no mother's loves. Thank God for my life, for the stars and stripes, may freedom forever fly. Let it ring, salute the ones who died, and those who gave their lives, so we don't have to sacrifice.